you're new, welcome. My name is Kristen, and tonight we're going in with the grilled barbecue chicken wrap. I did throw my chicken on the grill, but if you don't want to grill, you can throw yours in the air fryer or in the oven, or you could even get some of that pre-made chicken and throw you some barbecue sauce on it. You want to cut your chicken into thin strips and cut your onion. And yes, a red onion does taste better than a sweet onion or a yellow onion in this particular recipe, but you want to cut them into thin strips as well. To get this ready to go down into the wrap, I'm just going to take my chicken and put it into some tin foil and put the cheese all on the top and then warm it up in the air fryer for just about 5 minutes so that cheese can melt along the top. Alright, this is how I do my wrap. So I'm going to put some barbecue sauce down on the top, and then I'm going to put the meat and the cheese on there, and then set the bacon down on top of the cheese. Now that all my protein is in it, I'm going to bring in the veggies. And just so you know, using thinner onions is going to make this so much easier to wrap up. I have no idea what I was thinking cutting my onions as big as I did. Drop in your lettuce and then wrap that bad boy up. You can use toothpicks or any kind of, the little culinary sticks or whatever to hold this thing together. I didn't use any. I just flipped it and got it all wrapped up and let it kind of sit for a minute before I cut into it. I paired mine with French fries this particular night, but it would also go good with a cold pasta or even some baked beans. That wraps up this week. Tomorrow, I'll be posting a whole new menu for next week. Don't forget to head over to Patreon and get your download for your grocery list and menu plan. The link is down in the description. Come back Monday because we're going to be making some yummy gravy meatloaf. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.